My original idea for these videos was to stick to the basics, just staple foods, but when I happened to read about black garlic, I became obsessed and I just had to try it. And when I did, I just had to tell you about it. Well, it probably dates back many years, maybe many millennia. The modern controlled method for making black garlic goes back to Korea in 2004, developed by a man named Scott Kim. According to the Noma Guide to Fermentation, blackening is not fermentation. It's in large part an enzymatic process. Ordinarily, the enzyme polyphenol oxidase, which is present in fruits and vegetables, when the fruit or vegetable is damaged or injured, the vegetables will use polyphenol oxidase to create melanin. And since melanin has antibacterial properties, the long, slow heat we will be using encourages this process. Given enough time, you'll even get a Maillard reaction at these temperatures, along with pyrolysis. These processes all serve to darken the garlic, and they'll turn the garlic black and bring out richness and sweetness and a multitude of complex flavors. And how do we do this? You'll take, well, first of all, you need a rice cooker or something like this. This is an instant pot. And on the warm setting, it'll hold the contents at about 130 degrees. You'll want about, and this is the smallest one I could find. I have this very small kitchen. This one holds about 8 heads of garlic. So buy 8 heads of garlic, put them in here. Come to think of it, this will probably hold more than 8 heads, maybe 10. Put your garlic in there, close it up. And on the warm setting, it'll hold whatever you have in here, it'll hold it at about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. The keep warm setting lasts for only 10 hours. So I reset it 3 times a day. When I get up in the morning, sometime in the middle of the day, and before I go to bed at night. Okay, it's been 3 weeks and our garlic should be ready. Let's see what it looks like. This is a head of garlic. This is still pretty warm. This is about 130 degrees. I have a head from the last batch. And let's see what it looks like. Yes, it's still a little lighter over here. This is probably sitting on the bottom of the cooker. It's nice and dark. These heads here are exactly what we're looking for. Yep, it's black, it's very leathery. It's like a very thick paste. It has the look of licorice. It's sweet, it's mellow. It doesn't have any of the harshness of fresh garlic. So what do you do with the black garlic once you make it? I'm going to show you how to make salad dressing with it. Go ahead and peel your garlic. I would not recommend eating an entire head at once. It certainly tastes good enough to do that, but your digestive system will know that you're eating an entire head of garlic, even if your mouth doesn't. Roasted garlic, you can cut a head in half and just squeeze it all out because it's soft enough to do that. Cooking it this way leaves you with garlic that's a little too tough to just squeeze it out of the papers like that. So we do end up peeling the individual cloves. Also, it took you 3 weeks to make this, so you don't want to waste any. You want to get the entire clove out of these papers. And I'm going to mash these up. They're water soluble. I've tried mixing them with oil before. They don't mix with oil. You can mix them with water or vinegar or wine or any other water-based liquid. We're going to mash these in a mortar and pestle. They mash very easily. They're very thick. It's a very thick paste. So we want to thin it a little bit so it'll mix with the salad dressing. I'm going to thin this with a little balsamic vinegar. A little more vinegar. Some salt. More pepper. and some oil. Salad dressing, by the way, is 2 parts oil, 1 part vinegar. There you have your black garlic salad dressing. And after I go to the store to get my salad ingredients, I'm gonna have some for myself. In the meantime, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.